5 seconds to go. Start. Resistance or obstruction to possession of immovable property, where the holder of a decree for the possession of immovable property or the purchaser of any such property sold in execution of a decree is resisted or obstructed by any person obtaining possession of the property, he may make an application to the court complaining of such resistance or obstruction. Where any application is made under Sub Rule 1, the court shall proceed to adjudicate upon the application in accordance with the provisions herein contained. Question to be determined. All questions, including questions relating to right, title, or interest in the property arising between the parties to a proceeding on an application under Rule 97 or Rule 99 or their representatives and relevant to the adjudication of the application shall be determined by the court dealing with the application and not by a separate suit, and for this purpose the court shall, notwithstanding anything to the contrary contained in any other law for the time being in force, be deemed to have jurisdiction to decide such questions. Therefore, as per Order 21 Rule 101 CPC, all questions, including questions relating to right, title, or interest in the property arising between the parties to a proceeding on an application under Order 21, Rule 97, or Rule 99 CPC and relevant to the adjudication of the application shall have to be determined by the court dealing with the application. For that, a separate suit is not required to be filed. Order 21, Rule 97 is with respect to resistance, obstruction to possession of immovable property. In the instant case, it is the specific case of the appellant BDA that, pursuant to the acquisition of the land in question, the BDA has become the absolute owner and the said land is vested in the BDA and possession was already taken over by the BDA and the land was handed over to the engineering section. Therefore, the applications submitted by BDA for impediment in the execution proceedings and the obstruction against handing over the possession to the decree holder were required to be adjudicated upon by the executing court by impleading the BDA as a party to the execution proceedings. Though in the present case a substantive suit being OS number 2070 of 2013 filed by the BDA against the decree holder and the judgment debtor to declare the lease agreement as null and void is pending irrespective of the same, considering Order 21 Rule 101 CPC, the question relating to right, title, or interest of the BDA in the suit property was required to be adjudicated upon by the executing court. In view of the above, the order passed by the executing court dismissing the applications filed by the BDA for impediment in the execution proceedings and or dismissing the obstruction application and the impugned order passed by the High Court are unsustainable and the same deserve to be quashed and set aside. Stop.